In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shoes or a bike to your Strava gear. Keeping track of your gear in Strava helps you monitor mileage, schedule maintenance, and know exactly when it's time to replace worn-out shoes or service your bike. We'll walk through the process on the mobile app, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make it quick and accurate. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen. From here, tap your profile icon at the top left. This takes you to your personal profile, where Strava organizes everything related to your activities and settings. On your profile page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Gear. This is where all of your shoes and bikes live, along with their accumulated distance. Tap Gear to enter that section. Next, tap Add Gear. You'll see options to specify the type of gear you're adding. Choose shoe if you're adding running or walking footwear, or choose bike if you're adding a road, mountain, gravel, or other bike. Selecting the correct category ensures Strava applies the mileage to the right activities. Now it's time to enter the gear details. Give your gear a clear, recognizable name, something like the brand and model, or a nickname you'll remember. Add any details Strava requests, such as the brand, model, and purchase date. If you see fields for size, notes, or tire type, fill them in if they're useful to you. For running shoes, you might include the model and drop. For bikes, you might note the group set or wheel set. If there's an option to set this as your default gear for running or cycling, choose it if you want future activities to automatically use this item. Accurate details help Strava track mileage correctly and can make troubleshooting easier later. Once everything looks good, tap Save. You'll be taken back to the gear section where your new item now appears in the list. From here, you can confirm it's set as default if you chose that option, and you'll see its mileage begin to increase as you log new activities that use this gear. If you don't see the gear section or the Add Gear button, make sure your app is up to date and you're on your profile page, not the activity feed. Interface labels can change slightly between app versions, but the process remains the same. Profile, gear, add gear, select shoe or bike, fill in details, and save. That's it. You've added gear to Strava, and you're ready to track mileage and stay on top of maintenance with confidence.